golden cliffs of the Algarve. But what's inside those cliffs? What about the vibrant world hidden just beneath the surface? Most travelers just look at the coast. Today, we're going under it. Welcome back to Super Podcast, a subsidiary of Algarve Explore. We are your guides to unlocking the magic of Portugal. Our mission is to help travelers, expats, and explorers like you plan an unforgettable experience in the Algarve or throughout Portugal. We are your specialty service for booking flights, accommodation, rentals, guided tours, and activities. Today, we're taking you on a journey beneath the waves. The coast is famous, but its true secrets are hidden in its sea caves, grottoes, and the vibrant marine life of its clear Atlantic waters. We'll explore the hidden cathedrals of rock and the colorful world waiting for you to dive in. Let's start with the most iconic experience: vast, cathedral-like sea caves carved into the coastline by thousands of years of wind and waves. The most famous is a massive natural dome, a secret world hidden inside the cliff. The only way in is from the sea. As your boat or kayak slips through a dark archway, the space opens into a breathtaking cavern. High above, a circular hole in the ceiling lets a perfect beam of golden sunlight pour in, illuminating a hidden beach and crystal clear water. It's a truly magical moment, like discovering a lost temple. While large tour boats pass by, the only way to set foot on this secret beach is by booking a guided kayak or stand-up paddleboard tour. This allows you to glide in at your own pace and truly absorb the wonder of this natural marvel. Beyond that one famous cave, the coastline is a labyrinth of smaller grottoes, towering sea stacks, and impossible stone arches. This is where the region's maritime history feels most alive. The best way to see this is on a small, traditional fishing boat helmed by a local captain who knows every rock and secret. These skilled guides will expertly navigate through incredibly narrow passages, under low-hanging arches, and into hidden grottos you'd never find on your own. They'll point out fantastic rock shapes, named by fishermen generations ago. You might see an elephant, a submarine, or even two figures kissing. Weaving through this golden city of rock is essential for understanding the unique beauty of the coast. The beauty isn't just in the rock formations, it's in the life that calls them home. The Algarve's clear waters make it fantastic for snorkeling, especially in calmer coves. You don't need to be a deep-sea diver. On a calm day, a simple snorkel mask and fins can show you a whole new world. You can float above rocky underwater formations, see colorful fish darting through seaweed, and explore the edges of hidden coves. For the more adventurous, book guided snorkeling or scuba diving trips. These tours take you to the best spots, often only accessible by boat, where you can explore vibrant marine ecosystems and underwater passages. Some pristine, empty beaches are. Exploring this world requires planning, and it's popular, so booking in advance is key. Boat tours, fantastic for all ages. Look for smaller boats, as they can go inside the grottos. Kayaking or stand-up paddleboard. This is the most intimate way to experience the caves and grottos. We highly recommend a guided tour. A guide ensures safety, provides gear, and knows the crucial tides, knowing exactly when it's safe to enter certain caves. Snorkeling trips. You can snorkel from many beaches, but a book tour provides equipment and takes you by boat to the clearest, most life-filled spots unreachable from shore. This is an experience you simply can't miss. It's where you'll find the real Algarve, beneath the surface. If you enjoyed this journey into the hidden side of Portugal, follow us to stay up to date and not miss a single episode. If you're just joining us, watch our previous episodes to catch up on travel secrets. If you found this useful, share this video with friends dreaming of a trip to Portugal. For more tips and to connect with fellow travelers and expats, join our Algarve Tourism Visit group on Facebook. When you're ready to plan your dive into adventure, head to algarveexplore.com for inspiration and portugaltravelbooking.com to book your flight, accommodation, and guided tours. Until next time, happy travels and boa viagem.